Gossips, trending, viral content, celebrity lifestyle. Welcome to.
Hello guys, I welcome you once again to Century Office. Yesterday, occupied Julorbi House demonstration commenced, and we didn't all like what we saw. Many activists, many social media influencers, many artists, many people have all added their voice to what happened yesterday. And today is the day 2 of the occupied Julorbi House demonstration. If you are not a Ga person, Julorbi is a language in Ga, which simply means thief. So all they want to say is occupy the thief house, which is the Jubilee House where the president of Ghana lives. Yesterday ended like a horror movie. You can see from the scenes. So the day 2 of the demonstration has already commenced. It's raining. You can see the lights of Efya, Sister Efya, John Dumelo, SDK, Kobiche, and not surprising, the police have blocked the main route to the Jubilee House, which we all knew it was going to happen. And you can see from the convener, Oliver Vemowo has made sure no protester crosses the barricade of the police, which is making sure nothing of violence occurs in today's version of Occupy the Julorbi House demonstration.
We are sitting here on the floor right now as a representation of we are doing calm protest. Everybody is so chill here. Nobody is causing any trouble. We just want to be heard out. Maybe I feel like the police
that we are beyond age. Is this lady beyond age? This is the real situation in the country. Now, you are seeing it. So if any media is asking a question, they shouldn't be asking why are we here. These are the reason why we are here. These are the